My fan is cooler than yours. My fan is cooler than yours. Check out this coolest fan because you can put water in the top. Yeah. So check this fan out. I mean, it is super, super light, and you can put water in the top and turn this into a mister. Yes, right, a mister. And so you can take this outside. You got to have a portable battery bank, but you can take this outside, plugs in just with a normal USB-C. So anything, any power bank that you have lying around, you can plug this in with the normal USB-C, put some water in it, and now it's a mister. It's a mister. So we're gonna call this a Mr. Fan. That's right. Hello, Mr. Fan. Welcome to my camping trip. And it's so nice to have a misting fan when you're just sitting outside and enjoying the weather, man. It is nice just to have that cool feature. So let me show you exactly how it works. All right, step one, fill with water. Step two, plug in the fan. Step three, grab the remote, turn it on by just pressing the fan button right here. And you can increase it to 1, 2, or 3. Pro tip, if you want, you put some ice cubes in here and it makes this a lot cooler. If it's a really hot day, you're gonna want some ice cubes in here. But to get that mode, you gotta press your snowflake mode. So we're gonna turn the snowflake mode on, and you can see right here, it's starting to mist. And then it kicks that into the fan, and then this pushes it wherever you want that to push to. Hopefully you can see that. That is pretty cool. So you got your own personal mister just outside, put an ice cube in the top, and you're gonna be cool on a hot summer day. All right, right now, I'm gonna tell you, I got that on full blast. It's quiet as can be, but it is definitely cooling me down, and I can feel it in that misting spray. So you got an extremely portable fan with a small little mister that just, you know, it just hits. It's gonna be personal. It's not an AC unit. It's not, you're not gonna replace your AC unit. You're just gonna put it right in your personal space right here to cool you down a ton. Now it does have a timer. If you wanna put it on a timer, it has also, check this out, it has some cool little lights. Now you're not gonna be able to see that. Maybe you can't see it as well in the daytime, but in the nighttime, it's pretty cool. You can keep that running, and it's not so loud. It's kind of like white noise. So if you wanted to, you could fall asleep to it as well. So certainly if you're gonna be using it for camping, throw it in your tent, put a timer on it. It's gonna be that white noise. It's gonna get you to sleep in a comfortable manner. So again, my fan is cooler than yours.